Alrighty. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are at this point. I hope it's a fantastic day. And if it hasn't been, then we're going to cheer it up right now with some landscape painting. CLC paint here. I am Chase Corrington. And we're going to have kind of a white glow up in that area. I'm not sure, though, if this is still wet. Not really. It's pretty sticky. There's a little bit that's wet. Maybe we'll just smear that onto the canvas. I like to use whatever leftover stuff I find on my palette. That's some old dried up liquid white, really. So now I'm gonna find me a brush. Let's get ourselves a 2-inch brush. Get it out there. Swing. Move our palette so we can actually get close enough to our canvas here. There we go. Back that up a bit. Ooh, that's sticky. It was like catches the brush. That's so shiny, it's crazy. Just kind of spreading that white area. Just doing this with liquid white. Just tapping with the corner to try to make these little branchy type tree indications. There's outside of the shine. We're just gonna say there's some little tree things going on back in there. Bright, shiny white. Shine, real color. So you can see how shiny it is. The paint is literally reflecting the light. I think that's a good angle there. That's a good angle. All right. So we're going to start right about there. Alrighty. Let's just take our same 2-inch brush we were doing the white with, and we mixed Van Dyke Brown, Prussian Blue, and Midnight Black. And we're just gonna tap our 2-inch brush right in there, so we got some on the bristles. And we're gonna get the canvas down here, kind of create a little color. Just giving the canvas some color. Now this isn't really ever going to show up. We're going to do highlights over this. And there's going to be some big trees. I think later, when we add some highlights, this will give something for it to stick to, to blend with. Now you can see this because of the light is reflecting there. Yeah. Let's grab a little bit more and place something just wild up in there. Just on the edge right there. A bunch of randomness going on. And maybe we'll give ourselves a little more down in this corner. Don't want the corner left out. He'll be mad at us. All right. I guess we'll give that a go and see where it leads us.